Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your brand new water heater is only giving warm water instead of getting fully hot, it can definitely feel confusing, especially after expecting everything to work perfectly from day one. Sometimes the water feels slightly warm but never reaches the temperature you expected, while other times hot water seems to disappear much faster than normal. A situation like this can happen because of temperature settings, startup delays, heating adjustments, or setup details that are easy to overlook with a newly installed system. Before assuming something major is wrong with the water heater, there are a few simple things worth checking because many heating issues can improve after quick adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix a brand new water heater only producing warm water. Try these. Step 1. Check the temperature setting on the water heater and confirm it is not adjusted lower than expected. Step 2. Give the water heater enough time after installation if it recently started operating and still feels warming up slowly. Step 3. Test hot water from different faucets connected to the water heater to see if the issue appears everywhere. Step 4. Confirm the water heater stays powered properly if heating feels weaker than expected. Step 5. Review setup details linked to the water heater if installation changes were recently completed. Step 6. Test the water heater again after adjustments and confirm hotter water begins coming through normally.